Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we will discuss the 3-level ZZ Semafor Indicator. Alright, it's not a complicated indicator, even if the name sounds a little bit complex, but it's a straightforward indicator, alright? So fear not. Now, the name of the indicator is the 3-level ZZ Semafor Indicator. It's a custom indicator, so of course, you have to download it from an external site before you can be able to use it after you have added it to your indicators library. Okay. Now, as you can see, it's a very straightforward indicator. All right. It's actually a dynamic zigzag indicator. All right. ZZ for zigzag. Right. It's a dynamic zigzag indicator that aims to simplify market analysis and identify critical price levels. As you can see, whenever these circles appeared, the circles only appeared at important price points. You don't find the cycles appear just anywhere, all right? They appear at important price points. To be specific, potential reversal price points, okay? Reversal or continuation price points is where you will find the 3-level ZZ Semafor Indicator create its circles, okay? So now, how do you use this indicator to identify good trading opportunities? Basically, you can actually use this indicator whether you are a short-term trader, medium-term trader, or long-term trader. It works across all time frames, okay? The indicator displays 3 levels of dots. The orange is for short, the short term, right? The orange dot is for short term, okay? The purple is for medium term and the yellow is for long term. So you will notice that there are numberings on these dots or circles. The orange, which is for short term, has 1 on it. It has a number 1 on it, right? Then the purple, sorry, the orange, I think I went to purple just now. The orange has a number 1 on it, the purple has a number 2 on it, and the yellow has a number 3 on it. So basically, if you are a short-term trader, you should focus on the orange circles because the orange circles indicate short-term moves. All right, it indicates short-term moves. You will notice that the orange circles only formed when we had short-term moves. You can see this. You can see this. So a scalper should focus only on the orange circles. All right. A scalper will want to focus only on the orange circles and just be riding up and down, you know, riding the waves like that. Then as for a medium-term signal, you would notice that the purple circles indicated moves that are longer than that of the orange. All right. So you will notice that the purple circles shows moves that are longer than the orange. Now, there is one thing you should note. All right. The signals of a higher level, for example, orange is level 1, purple is level 2, and yellow is level 3. The signals of the higher level always overshadows that of the smaller level. Okay. So, for example, if you are in a sell trade gotten from a signal from the purple color and you notice a signal from the yellow, you should exit your trade, okay? Because the signal from the level 3 indicator or the level 3 signal is going to overshadow that of the level 2. So had it been we entered a buy after we got this level 2 buy signal and then we exited our buy here and entered a sell at the site of this level 2 signal, sell signal. Once this level 3 buy signal appeared, we should have exited our level 2 sell. So if you are a medium-term scalper, for example, let's say you are a medium-term, let's say you are an intraday trader, okay? Let's say you're an intraday trader and then you are in a sell trade and you notice the formation of this level 3 circle. You should exit your sell immediately. But if you are in a buy trade from a signal from level 3 you don't need to exit at level 1 or level 2. You should wait for level 3 exit, all right, before you exit your trade. So if you enter a sell trade from a lower level and a buy trade from a higher level forms, you should exit your lower level sell or your lower level trade rather. But if you are entering a trade based on a higher level signal, you don't need to exit at the site of a lower level signal. So I hope it's clear. All right, hope it's clear enough. So as you can see, the level 3 signals, which are the signals from the yellow circles, they are usually the longest moves. All right, as you can see, the longest moves. Now you will notice that we had some waves here, but the level 3 did not give us a sell signal because the trend was still ongoing. So this was where the level 3 sell signal came in, or exit signal for the buy. So level 3 signals are basically for swing traders. All right, they are for long-term traders. All right, so if you are trading the level 3 signals, then just focus on the level 3 signals. You can neglect those of level 1 and 2. Okay, now whichever signals you are trading, whether the short term or medium term or long term, ensure that you always observe good risk management. Okay, do not trade with an amount that you can't afford to lose, and ensure that you always get confirmations. All right, ensure that you always get confirmations from your trades. Whenever the indicator gives you a signal, try to confirm those signals using support and resistance zones. Make sure that you look out for the price position with respect to support and resistance zones. All right, as you can see, most of the times the indicator gives us signals around support and resistance zones. So try to confirm those, right? And watch out for possible reversal candlestick patterns. For example, if you have a bullish reversal candlestick pattern when a level 3 buy signal appears, that's going to be a great confirmation. Okay, it's going to be a good confirmation, especially if the signal appeared around the support zone. So you are good to go. All right. For example, if you notice for another example, if you notice a sell signal around a resistance zone, right, whether it's level 1 or level 2 or level 3, and you get a confirmation from bearish candlestick patterns coupled with the fact that the signal came around a resistance zone, that's going to be a good place to enter a sell. All right, so make sure you always get your confirmations basically, and ensure that you do not risk more than 2% of your account balance in a single trade. Okay, it's not advisable to do that. So that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading. I hope to see you in the next video.